What's up guys? I'm currently stuck in Athens airport right now for about 5 hours, so I thought it'd be a good time to do this month's giveaway. And this month I'm giving away a GoPro Hero 5 session, and all you have to do to win this is like the video, comment down below when you're done, and then the person with the most likes on their comment is going to win the GoPro. So this is like a contest for you guys to get the most likes on your comment, and that'll decide who's the winner on this one. So yeah, that's the GoPro. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.